In this video, we're talking about the white seats inside the Tesla Model 3. How do they stand up after 6,000 miles? Hey there, welcome to the video, and in today's video we're talking about the white seats inside the Tesla Model 3. Now this is my black long-range 2021 edition Tesla Model 3, and I just had to go for the white seats. I think they add so much light to the car, they look really modern, but I get so many questions about them. You know, how do they hold up? Do they mark easy? And what do I do to clean them? So I wear black, dark blue and grey jeans almost every day to work. And as you can see from these shots, the seats look really, really good. Now, I haven't washed the car for about 3 to 4 weeks, and I did this on purpose because I wanted to show you kind of my routine for cleaning the seats and how they look if you do wear dark blue jeans every day. Do they stain? Well, no, not really. As you can see in some of these shots, you get a kind of slight marking, but it comes off super easy. In the back seats here, you can see they're not really marked at all, but we don't have any kids or pets. But the front seats, in my opinion, are looking pretty good. But I'm going to show you what I use to clean these white seats. Okay, so let me show you what's in my boot. This is my secret weapon for cleaning these white seats. And here it is. It's a 60p bag of baby wipes. Now, if you don't know, the Tesla's white seats are not real leather, so I didn't see any point in buying any special leather cleaner because they're fake leather. And these are designed for babies, so they're pretty good for a baby skin. And honestly, they do a fantastic job. Let me show you the little mark in the seat I've got at the moment and just how easy they come off just with these. Okay, so we're going to take one of these out and we're going to clean this little mark here on the seat and clean the seat just using this, and we'll see what kind of dirt we get on this. And here we go. I'm just going to take this cloth, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's got that mark straight off. Now I'm just going to keep wiping the seat here, and got a little mark there as well, I think from a coffee. And I'm just going to give this seat a nice big clean. Now I do clean the car quite regularly, probably once a month. I just take it to a car wash down the road, hand car wash. But you know, this is what I'll do maybe every 3 weeks if I don't take it there. And to be honest, these baby wipes do the job fantastic. So you can't really see it, but there is a little bit of dirt on there. And this does a really good job, and it brings them back up to an almost new kind of quality. It's not the right word, is it? An almost new finish. Now, what I would say, I mean, you won't be able to see this on camera, but I would say they are slightly darker than when I first got them, but they certainly don't look bad. They haven't marked at all. They're not wrinkled. And wearing black and dark blue jeans every day, it hasn't caused any serious staining at all. I think if you really look closely, you might see in some corners that look slightly darker, but really no different than what you would see with a black seat as well. So there we go. I hope this video has helped you and put your mind at ease if you were thinking of getting a Tesla Model 3 with the white seats. But let me know in the comment section below. Do you prefer the black or the white seats? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.